Hey everyone, is your car refusing to start, or are you struggling with rough gear shifts? If your obd2 scanner has thrown the P0809 error code, then your clutch position sensor circuit is sending an intermittent signal. This issue can prevent your car from recognizing when the clutch is engaged, leading to starting failures, gear shifting problems, and even engine stalling. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0809 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components causing this issue. Let's get started. What is P0809? The P0809 trouble code is related to the clutch position sensor, which detects whether the clutch pedal is pressed or released. If the ECM or TCM detects an intermittent or inconsistent signal from the CPS, it triggers this code. Symptoms of P0809 include engine won't start or starts intermittently, check engine light or transmission, warning light, hard or rough gear shifts, clutch disengages unexpectedly while driving. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the sensors and components responsible for this issue. To diagnose P0809, check these critical components. Clutch position sensor. Location, mounted near the clutch pedal, usually at the top where the pedal connects to the firewall. Function, detects when the clutch is engaged or disengaged and sends signals to the ECM/TCM. Clutch pedal switch. Location, attached to the clutch pedal bracket close to the firewall. Function, works alongside the CPS to confirm clutch operation and allow engine startup. Transmission Control Module. Location, usually found near the battery inside the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function, manages clutch operation and gear shifting based on sensor signals. Engine Control Module. Location, typically near the firewall inside the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function uses clutch position data to regulate ignition timing and fuel injection, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the clutch position sensor, ECM and TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals and any damage can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0809, faulty clutch position sensor. A bad sensor can send an inconsistent signal to the ECM, loose or misaligned. Clutch pedal switch. If the switch is out of position, it can cause intermittent signals, damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Broken wires can disrupt signal transmission. Faulty TCM, electrical issues. How to fix P0809. Step 1. Inspect the clutch position sensor. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 2. Check the clutch pedal switch. Ensure it's properly aligned and functioning. Step 3. Test the TCM. Use a scanner to check for additional fault codes. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Repair any broken or corroded wiring. Step 5. Check battery and charging system. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. A P0809 error in the clutch position sensor circuit can prevent your car from starting and cause shifting problems. Checking the sensor, clutch pedal switch, ECM, TCM, and wiring is key to solving this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0484, cooling fan circuit overcurrent. P0485, cooling fan power ground circuit failure. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.